Decor Designs, your authority on creating beautiful and functional living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you're anything like us, you believe your home's square footage doesn't end at the back door. Today we're stepping outside to talk about one of the hottest trends in home design, the outdoor living area. Get ready to transform your tired patio or neglected backyard into a functional, beautiful extension of your home. We've even gathered 10 incredible visual ideas to spark your creativity. The concept of an outdoor living area is simple. It's any dedicated, well-furnished space outside your home that is designed for activities typically done indoors. It moves beyond a simple folding chair or a portable grill. This area is intentionally planned, styled, and equipped for things like dining, cooking, relaxing, socializing, or even watching TV. Think of it as a seamless extension of your interior. A second living room, a gourmet kitchen, or a comfortable dining room, all set beneath the sky. Whether it's a sprawling deck, a cozy covered porch, or a poolside patio, the goal is to create a true destination where you can live life comfortably outdoors. Investing in an outdoor living area offers a wealth of benefits that enhance both your lifestyle and the value of your property. Firstly, it significantly increases your usable square footage. By creating an intentional outdoor room, you gain more space for entertaining large groups, hosting family dinners, or simply having a quiet place to read and relax. Secondly, it dramatically boosts your home's curb appeal and resale value. Potential buyers are actively searching for homes that offer this kind of integrated indoor-outdoor lifestyle. Thirdly, and most importantly, it's a massive health and wellness boost. Spending time outdoors, even in the comfort of your own stylish space, is proven to reduce stress, improve mood, and increase vitamin D levels. It encourages you to step away from screens and connect with nature, turning every sunset into a personal viewing experience. It's truly an investment in your well-being. Decorating your outdoor living area to look good involves treating it just like any indoor room, but with durability in mind. Start with a cohesive design plan. Choose a color palette that either mirrors your home's interior for a seamless transition or uses natural tones that complement the surrounding landscape. Next, define the zones. Use furniture grouping or an outdoor rug to clearly separate the dining space from the lounge area. Lighting is crucial for ambience. Forget harsh overhead lights. Layer string lights, pathway lights, and lanterns to create a warm, inviting glow after dark. Finally, add texture and life. Introduce decorative elements like weather-resistant throw pillows, a coffee table centerpiece, and plenty of plants in attractive planters. These details prevent the space from looking sparse and truly bring that comfortable lived-in feeling outside. Selecting the right pieces is key to creating a space that is both beautiful and lasting. Start with high-quality, weather-resistant furniture. Materials like powder-coated aluminum, teak wood, or all-weather wicker are excellent choices. A dedicated outdoor kitchen or grilling station is a game-changer for entertaining, turning simple cookouts into grand events. For comfort and style, a beautiful fire feature, whether a built-in fireplace or a sleek fire pit, is a must-have for extending the season and providing a cozy focal point. Don't underestimate the power of shade and shelter. A pergola, gazebo, or retractable awning provides protection from the sun and rain, making the space functional all year long. Lastly, a stylish outdoor rug anchors your furniture grouping and adds a necessary layer of comfort and color underfoot. Now for the inspiration. Here are 10 incredible outdoor living areas that demonstrate the ultimate in style and function for your backyard outdoor space. 1. Minimalist fireplace lounge and pool. Chic minimalist patio with fireplace and accent wall. This contemporary design uses a sleek, limited material palette of gray stone tiling, white walls, and dark accents. The built-in fireplace, set against a stylish dark gray accent wall, is the main feature, complemented by eye-catching circular log storage. The minimalist furniture and low plantings contribute to a clean, uncluttered aesthetic right next to the pool edge. 2. Grand backyard kitchen and dining retreat. Spacious tiled patio with dedicated kitchen, dining, and lounge. This large-scale elevated patio design provides 3 distinct zones. A full, built-in outdoor kitchen/barbecue area. A large, circular wooden dining table perfect for large family gatherings. and a cozy sunken lounge area around a classic stone fireplace. The light-colored, large-format patio tiles keep the space feeling open and expansive, connecting the beautiful pool area with the entertainment zones. 3. Modern resort-style patio. The ultimate indoor-outdoor transition with poolside fire pit. This design expertly merges interior and exterior space using massive sliding glass doors. The covered area features a full bar and dining space with stylish wicker chairs, while the lounge area sits on a warm wooden deck, anchored by a dramatic contemporary hooded fire feature. The louvered pergola roof adds architectural interest and filtered light, creating a truly resort-like feel right in your backyard. Notice the seamless flow between the tiled indoor-style flooring and the warm outdoor decking. For urban rooftop oasis, elevated city living with natural wood and planters. Perfect for urban dwellings, this rooftop patio uses clean, modern lines and natural wood paneling to create a serene retreat high above the city. The floating wooden canopy provides shade and definition for the minimalist dining table. Raised planter boxes brimming with lush greenery and small trees soften the hard edges, creating a private, secluded garden feel with a spectacular view. 5. Rustic fire pit and water feature. Title: Dramatic natural rock landscaping with fire and water elements. This luxurious space masterfully blends rugged natural elements with refined design. The centerpiece is a powerful high-flame stone fire pit that provides warmth and a dramatic glow. It is surrounded by large, strategically placed boulders and tiered landscaping that leads down to a grotto-style waterfall, creating a mesmerizing sensory experience of fire, water, and ambient light. 6. Cozy suburban backyard paver patio. Intimate zone patio with winding green lawn. This inviting suburban backyard features a beautiful multi-toned paver patio that curves gracefully around a well-maintained lawn. The space is cleverly zoned with a circular dining area and a separate, intimate lounge area closer to the house. The use of blue and white accents in the cushions and a geometric area rug adds a fresh, coastal-inspired flair to the traditional setting. 7. Covered deck with full entertainment suite. The complete outdoor room. Kitchen, fireplace, and entertainment. This is a true outdoor living room under a high vaulted roof. It features a complete outdoor kitchen with built-in stainless steel appliances and a stacked stone base. The centerpiece is a magnificent stone fireplace, topped with a large, weatherproof television, ensuring year-round entertainment. The wicker sectional seating and high-top dining area offer multiple comfortable zones for relaxing and dining. 8. Poolside perfection with modern pergola. Clean and contemporary poolside lounge with pergola shade. A stylish example of modern outdoor design, this area features a stunning pool alongside a rich wooden deck. The adjustable louvered pergola provides customizable shade for the all-white, streamlined sectional seating. A long linear gas fire pit encased in white stone creates a sophisticated focal point, perfect for cool evenings by the water. 9. Lush, cottage-inspired stone courtyard. Old-world charm with a classic stone fountain feature. This beautiful space is defined by its classic, manicured greenery and rustic stone elements. A stunning stone fountain serves as the focal point, creating a soothing soundscape. The furniture is a chic mix of traditional wicker and light metal frames, with crisp coordinating green and white cushions. The expansive stone patio provides a durable and elegant foundation, while the surrounding forest creates an intimate, natural backdrop. 10. Seamless modern deck extension. Clean lines and warm wood ceiling for covered lounging. This covered area uses a stunning wood plank ceiling with recessed lighting to create an immediate sense of warmth and luxury. The design is clean and contemporary, featuring sleek white wicker furniture and gray brick walls that provide texture and separation. The wide entryway with its bifold doors completely opens the space, blurring the line between the indoor living room and the exterior deck. So there you have it, a full guide to creating the outdoor living area of your dreams, from defining the space to decorating it with flair. The 10 examples we shared prove that whether your style is rustic, modern, or coastal, your perfect outdoor escape is absolutely achievable. Don't let your backyard be an afterthought. Make it the star of your home. If you were inspired by any of these beautiful designs, let us know in the comments below which one was your favorite. Do you prefer a cozy fire pit or a full outdoor kitchen? And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Homes Decor Designs, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next video on transforming your home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.